Chapter number 12. Does friction help? Yes, it does. I would even say without friction, no moving floor function. We need friction to make the moving floor work. Why is this so? In fact, we have very little friction between the slats and their supports. So the slats can go forward and backward. They glide freely with very little friction. But we have a lot of friction between the slats and the material heap, and this is important. If there was no friction, the heap would glide backward and forward, and there would not be any conveying effect. In fact, when all slats go forward, the weight of the material heap makes the same movement. So the heap moves forward at the same time. If one slat or one group of slats wants to go backwards, the heap stays in the forwarded position. We have shearing forces that the slats create when one slat wants to go back, but the adhesion forces inside the heap are more important, so the heap stays in the forwarded position. We have also shearing forces when the heap goes forward or when the slats go backward in reference to the side walls. These side walls, they live these shearing forces, therefore they have to be robust and have to resist. And often you can observe that the side walls in such a moving floor silo don't have any painting, or the painting will disappear very quickly because there's so much shearing or friction forces that work on these surfaces.